Welcome to Paris, baby! Paris! I haven't vlogged the previous days, guys. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. This is most probably going to be a travel vlog because we are setting off right now. That's why you're seeing me in a very big, my favorite coat. It's sunny outside, but it's because I want to sit with this. I've already put my stuff in the car. I have to go, man. We are late. We're supposed to have set off at midday, but now it's 14:19. Vibe check, vibe check, vibe check. Yep, good to go. Just take a shot. You guys, my nails look like trash, and I'm not doing extensions for the next I do not know how long because this time the nails got really damaged. I need to give time to my nails to recover. But yeah, we're going to the western part of Uganda. We're going to the village. You guys have seen a vlog where I went to the village and it was so much fun, and I'm hoping that this will also be so much fun now that it's Christmas and everyone else is there. Me and the family and my siblings, my cousins. Basically, we're just hoping that it's going to be so much fun. I've carried a deck of truth or dare cards for us to play. Yeah, I think that is it. I've cut my hair. You guys can see I have cut my hair. Ready for this tree. I'm excited. We're traveling with my auntie that hasn't been around for a while, like 17 years. She's been in the States, so she's back. So I believe that it's going to be 5 times as fun. Just know, because she's a vibe. Going to enjoy. No filtering fun. No filtering enjoyment.
Just wait for it and see.
Everything.
Watch this.
Good morning. We are going to have breakfast.
We had pineapple for breakfast too.
We had chapati and hot dogs for breakfast too.
Nobody ate this because it was dry. It's giving mess.
It's given. I want to take my tea in peace.
Judge, how would you rate this place? On a scale of 1 to 10.
I would rate it. Auntie Grace, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the place?
Beautiful. This place is so nice, but
They didn't have ice.
We're sleeping on the topmost floor.
yeah, and we didn't use our balcony. Oh, we are trying to make it things easy so we can go home.
But yeah. How would
Couldn't
you rate
do the
it?
entire journey
She's
in
not gonna.
one day.
How would you rate it?
1 out of 5. 1 out of 5.
Oh my.
1 out of 5. You'd rate this place on a scale of 1 to 10. You'd give it 1.
No, okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it a 5.
Why?
It's okay.
Did you?
It was hot. It was. I was literally. You were sleeping so perfect.
And just you still
Well,
sleep.
I was burning.
The weather is not up to them.
I don't know how you can breathe.
Shut up.
Ignore.
I don't know. Why is she? She's just so much drama.
It's giving
Abigail.
It's giving built like the best.
Pardon?
Giving built like the
Bueno, Abigail.
This is my daughter called Abigail.
Yeah.
It's her first time to come to Uganda. She's 10 years old.
Are you? Are you?
Are you?
Are you? Anyways, let's get going. Welcome to Paris, baby. Paris. The African Paris, the Ugandan Paris. Don't get me wrong, okay? What up, guys? Just a few days away from Christmas. These guys offered us juice, but I've already finished it. Sorry. We're at Mwea, and this is where we're going to actually spend the night. After here, we'll go have a boat ride. For now, we are going to have a meal. We're gonna eat some food and then go into the boat rides. I like the vibes already, guys. Take up some time and travel with your family. You're gonna love this. And look at these shots. Look at these shots, guys. Let's just say I have a cool family. So get yourself a cool family too. I'm trying to put in the access code so that I can get access to Mwea Wi-Fi.
Time for dessert, guys. I'm full. The food was so yummy. Hey, at least I feel now at home. I'm telling you. But I missed Matoke. Maybe we come back in the evening.
Yeah, they don't have Matoke.
Yeah, they said at 5 o'clock. 5, 6, there is matoke and peanuts.
That's lunch. It's brunch. Huh? It's giving brunch. No. What's the combination of lunch?
What said on my skin? I said in my skin.
Nakutanguyashanga chienje muhimu yeye ninga mbasu kala zechikozesa.
Anyway, her answering covers.
I'm telling you.
I've eaten food and I'm done because
It was amazing, yeah.
it was really good.
Yummy.
Yummy. Oh my god.
Merry Christmas. No, you're giving them free PR. Don't.
VPI.
VVP.
No, you're giving them free
VPI.
PR. Don't give them free PR. Club is supposed to pay for that advertisement.
DJ, what's that you're drinking?
Sprite.
Oh, he put syrups, all kinds.
Let me have a look.
Look here, all kinds of syrups.
But Bambi.
I'm still trying to finish my dessert. Everyone else was finished eating their meal except me and my mother. I like this the most. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's such nice dessert. This is also nice because it has coconut and I'm a big fan of coconut. Guys, we are doing a family TikTok right now. They're training us through it. This is our teacher. Those are the participants.
So hippos are known to be polygamous and then also jealousy animals. So in this big school you are seeing there is only one dominant male.
I only miss you when the sun goes down.
George in the east, then Lake Edward in the west.
Swaying like the palm trees. You and me were poetry. Painting stories with our lips.
Hi. Hi, mommy. Rude. Yeah. I'm doing this for the second time because he did not hit the start button. Anyways, as you guys can see, we are in the middle of nowhere. Honestly, they are houses, yeah, by the Wildlife Authority. This is the accommodation that they provide. It's more affordable, man, if you're traveling like on a budget. We woke up very early in the morning, like at 6. That's when we went for the game drive. Okay, to be honest, we were supposed to go like at 6, but we went at 7. But we had the game drive and we were able to see some animals. We also had the boat ride, which was actually fun and amazing. And now we are heading for the en route, as you can see. Yeah, the en route is Kabale. They're packing up. We're going to enter and go. So we're done here.
I only miss you when the sun goes down. Oh, your voice is my favorite sound. Swaying like the palm trees. You and me were poetry. Painting stories with our lips. Ay, 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 ay.
Time to go home, guys.